Back on the harvest logs, day 6. Thank you for the kind words on my man flu. Delighted to let you all know I have just about survived. Voice still isn't quite right, but we are getting there. Just a quick video tonight. Just got going into some winter barley again. This is a different variety. This is SY Sensation, hybrid barley, tolerant again to barley yellow dwarf virus. And this is at the back of the main grain store, which is just behind the camera here. Just wanted to have a little look at what we've got going on here as well. Got a little land drain that just empties out here into this little ditch, unbelievably still running now. This was really wet through the winter. Got a little grass margin here just to protect the water courses from any kind of spray drift. And then to further protect that as well, we've also put a wild bird seed plot next to here as well. And we've got all sorts of things growing in here. This is Phacelia. I've got a bit of millet. That's actually fat hen, which is a weed. A bit of linseed, or flax. A little bit of clover. A little bit of buckwheat in there. And we've got some fodder radishes. A little bit of vetches there. It's just sort of sneaked in. Well, these plots do get changed around a little bit. So we do have a few volunteers that kind of get mixed in. Sunflower, good to see those coming through. Bit of sorghum-y type stuff. So it's probably a little bit thinner than we would like, but it was quite late going in because this field was really wet. I'm just going to show you some of that now. The importance of land drainage, really. So just walking into the field here, this was a lot of black grass which we sprayed off quite a long time ago. Just run the combine over it to tidy it up. These fields have been in no-till for a number of years, and we've not had tram lines kind of that deep really for a long time. So some of these are going into a cover crop before spring oats next year. So before we do that, our 5-minute fallow will need to come through and just level these out. But put the top down over it, then quickly power harrow it, flat roll it, and that will level them out. Then we'll see where we go from there. So not quite getting to our 5-minute fallow period, but this year has been quite a challenge, and we have to be able to adapt, change things around a little bit, and make it better for next year. Stay tuned.